Hello everybody, welcome back. Today also we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can use points in Expedia, but before that please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay we'll simply start our video. So for that purpose, first of all, let's go ahead open our browser for the matter. If you open your phone browser, you can see I have searched expedia.com right there in the search bar, and I get into this website particular of Expedia and get logged in as well. What you're going to do, go ahead, do the same, get over here and get signed in as well. Once you're done, you won't be able to find a particular option that shows the rewards option, right? So for that purpose, what you want to do is simply go ahead, tap on this help option. So once you tap on this help option, this will give you this kind of options, including, you can see this is a virtual agent of Expedia which will answer your questions. You can see this manage rewards option, right? So simply go ahead, tap on this manage reward options, and this will give you this kind of information. So for that purpose, if you would like to see your rewards or redeem, or would like to know about it more, or you would like to use it, go ahead, sign in first. Once you're done signing in, then you will be able to manage your rewards or points that you have collected for any of the bookings. You can check how much they're worth and you can use them for your further bookings. So yes guys, this is it. I hope this video was helpful to y'all. Thank you so much for watching, and yes, I'll be seeing you guys in our next video.